So it's time for us to sew this beautiful top. You can see on the screen we've already made a pattern and cut the fabric. It's on the channel already, the drafting process. So we remove the pattern from the fabric and then open it. We're using the material itself for the lining as well, so we had to separate the main fabric from the one we are using for the lining. Just the way I placed it, we are going to use our pin to pin it, and then after pinning we are going to sew those areas that we pin, just the way I am demonstrating. That we are going to place the basque waistline, which is the one with the pieces we cut from the underbust section. We are going to place it at that back under part, and then we'll flip it over just the way we did for the main fabric. That is exactly what we will do for the lining itself, and after which we'll place the lining on the main fabric and turn the neckline and the basque waistline. So we are done turning all the linings, and after which we join the shoulder for the front and the back together. The back side we used lining and turned it and also impute our dart. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to fix our sleeve. So we are going to fix the sleeve at the shoulder side for both the two sides, and after which we'll show you. So we are done joining the sleeve, and we've also coupled the top. So we folded the sleeve by ½ inch and another ½ inch. So this is the final look. We also added our zipper at the back. So the top is ready for us to put it on the mannequin and show you. So this is the finished look of the beautiful top we've made together. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a meaningful comment so that you will not miss out on any of our beautiful tutorials. Please, if you've not watched the cutting tutorial, feel free to watch it. It's on the channel now. Bye.